It is my deepest wish that you have gained information in this program that you can hold with you and use to help you make the most out of this beautiful thing we call life. This program will be evolving over time as I add new parts and refine others. Much of this will come from feedback from you and others who take part. You're welcome to get in touch with me with any questions you may have about meditation or this program, with any errors that you might find, or any suggestions for improvement or future additions. The easiest way for all of us to gain deeper insight and understanding is to post in the private Facebook group, which is just for members of the programs and courses that I create. The link for that group is on this page. If you'd like to keep it more private, you're more than welcome to contact me in one of the other ways that is on this page. Thank you so much for taking part in this program. I wish you all the best and happy meditating.